I have divided the leaf into 3 divisions, and I am going to do different stitches in each of these 3 divisions. For the first one, I am going to do long and short stitch. I have started from the center of this part, not from here, but the center of this part. This is the easiest stitch for filling in. This way I am going to do the first division. The second division, I have drawn lines like this. First I am going to do running stitch on each of these lines. A very simple stitch. Just running stitch on each of these lines. Just in and out. That's all. The same stitch for all the lines. After completing the running stitch, I have taken this maroon thread, 6 strands I have taken, just through the stitch. Don't pull the full thread, keep it like this. Again, through the stitch from this side. Don't pull the full thread, just in and out like this. I am going to do for all the stitches, just in and out. When you come to the end of this line, after doing the last stitch, put the needle down and again come up from here. Do the same thing for this line also. It's only through the stitch and not through the cloth. That's all. A simple one. In the last division, I am going to do stem stitch. I am going to fill this portion with stem stitch. I have started from the center. I have taken 2 strands of yellow and 2 strands of moss green. You come to the end of the line, just go down and again I will start from here and I will complete this using stem stitch. After completing the leaf, I will do this center line over here, the veins and the border using chain stitch. Simple stitch, the thread round the needle and pull up the needle. That's all. A very simple stitch. That is all. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.